here is the y-coordinate, so -1. All right, for 2, again in vertex form, so the opposite of what's inside the parentheses, and exactly what's outside. So it's just 9, 8. Okay, let's look at number 2. All right, so using the given values, graph the parabola. So I'm just going to take -4, 1, 2, 4, up 3, plot a point, then -3, 0, -2, -1, -1, 0, 0, 3. -1, 0 also. Okay, so then I can go ahead and graph my parabola. And that's it. So then I'm also going to graph this one. So -2, -5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And -1, -1, 0, 2, 1, -1, and 2, 2, -5. Okay, and then I can just go ahead and graph. All right, identify the vertex. So the vertex for this one would be 3, -2. So just look at that point right there. And that is a max because it's the highest point here. So this goes up and then it comes down, so it has a highest point, so that's a max. Okay, this one would be 0, -1, and it also has, well, it actually has a minimum, so it goes down and comes back up, so it has a min. Okay, second page. Find the axis of symmetry. So for the axis of symmetry, I first want to find the vertex. Since it's in vertex form, I know it's -3, opposite of inside the parentheses, and exactly what's outside. So then I know that the axis of symmetry is that vertical line that goes through the vertex, and then I always use the x-coordinate. So x equals -3. And it also has to be an equation, so it should always read x equals. Same thing here, my vertex is 4, 9. So the axis of symmetry is x equals 4. Okay, I'm going to create a graph using the given information. The vertex is 0, 7, so that's going to be up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and the x-intercepts are -3, 0, and 3, 0. So then I can just go ahead and draw my graph. All right, my vertex here is 1, -5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and -2, 0, and 4, 0. So then I'm just going to go ahead and draw my graph. Okay, for these, what are the zeros? I can use my graphing calculator, or I can do my product sum. Product is -16. My sum is -6. So I can use -8 times 2. -8 plus 2 is -6, so that works. So it's x minus 8 and x plus 2 is 0. I'm going to set these both equal to 0. And then I sum. Plus 8 plus 8. So x equals 8 and x equals -2. All right, same thing here. My product is 21, which I'm getting from right there. My sum I get from here is 10. So 7 times 3 and 7 plus 3. So those both work. All right, so then I have my zeros are -7 and -3. Okay, because I'm going to do x plus 7 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0, subtract 7, subtract 3. You guys get the idea. All right, so my vertex for 13 is right here. So that's 1, -9. That vertex is a minimum since there's a lowest point there, min. Okay, the axis of symmetry is this vertical line that goes down through there. It's going to be x equals 1. I can also just get that from right here. My zeros, where it crosses the x-axis, are -2 and 4. Domain, remember, is always all real numbers. Okay, and the range is y is greater than or equal to, since it's the number is bigger than my minimum there, so it's negative. Okay, let's go to the next page.